Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to install a boost gauge for an Audi S4, and the only thing you need is just gonna be the boost gauge. Just buy the boost gauge from eBay. It's $20. It's a digital boost gauge. Pretty much what I did to fit the boost gauge, I just cut it. Just don't cut it too much, just enough, to fit the boost gauge. This is what comes with the boost gauge: the gauge and the sensor for the boost gauge. So it comes separate. So now what you have to do is just connect, all the cables together. Okay, you have a red one and a black one. Now what I did right here, since I have, these two right here, for the lights of the air conditioner right here, I just peeled these two cables and I put the red one right here and the black one right here. Okay, now that you connected all the cables, just make sure that the boost gauge is working. Okay, it's working. Now we're just gonna put it back. Okay, I did a hole right there. Okay, I did the hole up there, and then it's just easy, just to put the hose down over here. Then just go to the engine. This is the easiest part. Now this one right here, this is where I connected the hose for the boost gauge. It's really easy. You just have to split this hose. You split it. It comes with this three-way adapter right here. Just connect it right here, and then just point it right there to the boost gauge. Connect the hose right here, and now right here, after you put it right there, just work your way to over there. You see right here by the master cylinder. Now let's just see if it's working. And I kind of like the boost gauge, digital, looks really cool. And for this upgrade, it was nothing but $20. Well, less than $20, because the boost gauge was $18 per shipping. So $20 for a boost gauge. It's really cool. Just work your imagination. Like I told you, I didn't buy the adapter for the boost gauge. I just cut it and make it fit in there. I'm supposed to be boosting 8 psi. Yep, 9 to 7 psi. So the boost gauge is working, and that's pretty much everything. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all the people that are subscribing to the channel.